Hi Tom, are you ready for our lesson today?
Yes.
Okay, today we are learning the letter E, which sounds?
A.
Well done. Okay, repeat after me. E for envelope.
E for envelope.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
E for elbow.
E for elbow.
E for egg.
E for egg.
Well done. So now you can say it on your own. I will say E for and you say the word. E for?
Envelope.
Well done. E for?
Elephant.
E for?
Elbow.
E for?
Egg.
Well done, high five. Okay, so now we will do a little quiz. I will show two up and you answer the questions, okay? Which one can you eat?
Egg.
I can eat the egg.
I can eat an egg.
And which one is the animal?
An elephant is an animal.
Well done. And which one is a body part?
Elbow.
The elbow is the body part.
An elbow is a body part.
Well done. And which one can you put a letter in?
Yeah. Envelope.
Well done. And we'll do a quick review of all the words, okay? So, what is this?
This is an elbow.
What is this?
It's an envelope.
Well done. This?
This is an elephant. This is an egg.
Well done, high five. Thank you, bye.